Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Forge Onwards. If you are looking for amazing job opportunities at top companies like Amazon, you are in the right place. In today's video, we'll be discussing an exciting data analyst role at Amazon India in their Reverse Logistics team based out of Hyderabad. So, if you are a data enthusiast looking to, join one of the biggest company in the world, so make sure to watch this video till the end and don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and colleagues who might be interested in data analysis job, and subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed to stay updated with the latest job openings, because we share three important hiring daily on this particular YouTube channel. Also share it with your friends or colleagues who might interested in getting a job at Amazon. Such a big theme it is. So now let's dive in. So basically, you can see on your screen, Amazon is hiring for a data analyst to join their Reverse Logistics service team. The role focuses on data-driven insights to improve transportation businesses, and the key responsibilities at this particular job is going to be, as you can see over here. So you will be involved into retrieving and analyzing data using Excel, SQL, and other data management tools. Plus, you will also be monitoring the existing metrics and collaborating with teams to enhance processes. Not just that, you will be involved into designing, developing, maintaining automated dashboards and reporting tools, along with delivering business reviews to leadership teams. And you will also be involved into communicating effectively with business and tech partners, plus working on ambiguous projects like incomplete data and still drive meaningful insights. So these are all going to be your roles and responsibilities once you join Amazon as data analyst. So now let's understand a little bit about the team. So the Amazon worldwide return and e-commerce team, which is WW and RRR team, they are dedicated to achieving zero cost return, zero waste, and zero defects. So this team constantly innovates and creates long-term value, focusing on sustainability and efficiency. So by joining this team, you'll work alongside business analysts, data engineers, and product managers and software developers as well to optimize the life cycle of returned and damaged products. So basic qualifications required for this particular role is going to be, as you can see over here, you should have a bachelor degree in business, team, operation, finance, or related field. Even computer science or IT graduates are preferred. So, and also if you have experience as data analyst, then again it's kind of good for you. It will be advantageous for you. Even if you are a 0 years experience with good internship, exposure plus good hands-on projects, you can apply for this particular role. And also you should have the proven ability to manage and influence key metrics and a strong experience with MS Excel, Outlook, and Word, along with excellent written communication skills. Plus, you must have the hands-on experience with SQL or QuickSight or Tableau or Power BI also fine for data visualization. Sorry. They have also mentioned some of the preferred qualification that you can see over here. So if you are having experience in retail transportations or operations, along with advanced SQL skills, experience with Python or other scripting language, you will be given preferences over the others. Plus, if you are having ability to communicate effectively across all level of management teams, basically you have best communication or the excellent communication skills, both written and verbal, then you will be given preferences. So why you should apply for this role? Because you'll get to opportunity to work with one of the world's biggest tech giant, and you'll be a part of a sustainability focused innovative team and work on impactful large scale projects, enhancing your skills in SQL, Python, data visualizations. So how you can apply? Just check for the direct link that we have mentioned in description and apply as soon as possible, because this type of jobs don't last longer. And that's the reason we are sharing the direct link. And make sure to update your resume by with relevant experience and skills before applying, or try to take some key points from this study that I just mentioned. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, support to our work, and also comment below if you are planning to apply or have any other question about the role. And subscribe to Forge Onwards as well for daily job updates, career tips, and in-depth data analytics content that we are bringing on other V2 channel, which is Forge Tech. So subscribe to that channel as well, and hit the bell icon so you never miss any update Share this with your friends or anyone who might be interested or looking for a data analyst job at Amazon. And that's it for today's video. See you in the next one. Forge ahead with your career.